How to set a disappearing time for your WhatsApp status. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open WhatsApp on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Then click on the three dots at the top right of the screen. Here, click on Settings. Then click on What's Happening below your name. Now, this is your status. Type in whatever you want to add. In your status, select the emoji and then you'll find duration. Click on duration and this is the disappearing time for your WhatsApp status. You can custom it or choose 1 week, 2 days, 1 day, 8 hour, 1 hour as you want. After you select it, press on save and then press on the tick mark at the bottom right corner of your screen. And after you do that, your status will be updated and it will disappear after the time you've selected. This is how to set a disappearing time for your WhatsApp about status. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.